If Gimp keeps crashing on startup, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. We'll cover how to reset your Gimp profile, remove bad plugins, deal with broken fonts, check regional settings, and update your graphics drivers so you can get Gimp opening normally again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to try is resetting your Gimp user profile. A lot of people uninstall and reinstall Gimp, but that does not always fix the problem, because your personal settings and cache files are still stored on your computer. If one of those files is corrupted, Gimp can keep crashing every time you open it. To fix this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type %appdata, % and press Enter. This will open the App Data roaming folder on your PC. Inside here, look for the folder named Gimp. When you find it, rename it to Gimp Backup. Don't delete it yet, because this keeps your old settings safe in case you need them later. Now try launching Gimp again. If Gimp opens successfully, that means the old profile was the problem and Windows has created a fresh new one automatically. If Gimp is still crashing, the next thing to check is corrupted third-party plugins and GEGL filters. This is especially important if you recently updated Gimp, because older plugins may no longer be compatible with newer versions. Open the Gimp folder again and look inside the Plugins folder and the GEGL/Plugins folder. If you see any third-party files, move them out of those folders and place them somewhere safe on your desktop temporarily. The goal here is not to delete them right away, just to isolate them so they cannot load when Gimp starts. After moving them, launch Gimp again and test it. If Gimp now opens normally, then one of those plugins was causing the crash. You can add them back one at a time later to figure out which one is the problem. Another very common cause of startup crashes is broken or badly installed fonts. Gimp scans all the fonts on your Windows system during startup, so if even one font is corrupt, missing data, or poorly formatted, the program may freeze or crash before it fully opens. To fix this, check any fonts you recently installed, especially third-party font packs or unverified downloads. If you added new fonts before the issue started, remove them temporarily and restart Gimp. If you want, you can also clear out suspicious font caches through Windows font settings, or simply test by removing recent fonts one by one. Once the bad font is gone, Gimp should be able to finish loading properly. If the problem still continues, you should check for regional language or format conflicts in Windows. In some cases, Gimp can crash on startup because of specific regional settings, especially after updates. To test this, open the Windows Settings menu, go to Time and Language, and then open Language and Region. Look for your regional format setting. If it is set to a regional format that may be causing the issue, temporarily switch it to English United States or English United Kingdom. After changing it, restart your PC, and then try opening Gimp again. If Gimp launches normally after this change, then the regional format was likely the cause. Finally, make sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. Outdated or broken display drivers can conflict with the windowing system that Gimp uses, which can lead to startup crashes, black screens, or sudden shutdowns. Go to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer, whether that is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest stable driver for your system. If possible, do a clean install so the old driver files are completely replaced. Once the driver update is complete, restart your computer and test Gimp again. By this point, one of these fixes should get Gimp working again. The best place to start is usually resetting the user profile, because that solves a huge number of startup issues. Then move on to plugins, fonts, regional settings, and graphics drivers until you find the cause. If this video helped you fix Gimp, please hit like and subscribe, because I post more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.